1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $26,000. Mileage, 2,675 miles. Location, Keysville, Virginia. Step into classic hot rod heaven with this 1923 Ford T-Bucket, a true American icon that combines vintage style with modern performance. Powered by a 355 Chevy small block with a 4-bolt main, this T-Bucket delivers dependable power and plenty of thrills for cruising the open road. Its tan exterior and matching tan interior give it a clean, timeless look that's as inviting as it is eye-catching. With only 2,675 miles and 2 careful owners, it's been lovingly maintained and is ready to hit the streets with style. Fully paid off and in excellent condition, this T-Bucket is perfect for collectors or anyone looking to own a piece of hot rod history that still packs a punch under the hood.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $28,500. Mileage, 2,800 miles. Location, Kissimmee, Florida. Here's a head-turning 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster that perfectly blends classic hot rod charm with modern muscle. Under the hood, a stout SBC 327Ci engine with cam and 750 carb delivers exhilarating power, while the smooth 3-speed automatic 350 turbo transmission ensures effortless cruising. A 9-inch rear end adds stability and a perfect stance for the open road. Finished in striking green with a rich brown interior, this T-Bucket is as stylish as it is fast. With only 2,800 miles, it's practically a modern classic, built for collectors and enthusiasts who crave the raw thrill of vintage American roadsters without sacrificing performance. Every mile in this roadster is a statement, a rolling piece of automotive history ready to impress everywhere it goes.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1986 Ford Mustang. Price, $25,000. Location, Huntsville, Alabama. Here's a classic 1986 Ford Mustang that's been given a thrilling twist with a small block Chevrolet motor under the hood. This blend of Mustang style and Chevy power makes for a unique ride that stands out from the crowd while delivering reliable performance. The exterior retains the unmistakable 80s Mustang lines, while the upgraded engine adds muscle and excitement to every drive. Whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or just someone who loves American muscle with a creative edge, this Mustang offers both nostalgia and heart-pounding fun. A true head-turner for anyone who appreciates a classic car with a bold, performance-minded upgrade. 1931 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Price, $38,000. Mileage, 5,400 miles. Location, Dallas, North Carolina. Here's a striking 1931 Ford GT Coupe 2D, a perfect blend of classic charm and modern reliability. Its vibrant red exterior pairs beautifully with a sleek gray interior, while the metal body and fiberglass fenders give it that timeless hot rod appeal. Recently maintained with plenty of work done to keep it in top shape, this coupe runs and rides smoothly, making it ready for cruising, shows, or simply enjoying the open road. With 5,400 miles, a clean title, and no significant damage, it's a worry-free classic for collectors or enthusiasts. Fully paid off and in great condition, this Model A Coupe is more than just a car. It's a rolling piece of automotive history that's ready to turn heads wherever it goes. 1973 International Scout P/U. Price, $18,250. Mileage, 2,000 miles. Location, Knoxville, Tennessee. This 1973 International Scout P/U is a classic American off-road legend, ready to deliver rugged performance with style. Powered by a reliable 454 Chevrolet engine and paired with a smooth 400 turbo automatic transmission, it offers turnkey dependability for adventures on or off the beaten path. Its bold blue exterior contrasts sharply with a sleek black interior, making it as eye-catching as it is capable. With only 2,000 miles and a clean title, this Scout P/U is practically a modern classic, perfectly preserved and fully ready to drive. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who simply loves iconic 70s trucks, this Scout combines vintage charm with raw power and reliability, offering both fun and peace of mind. 1974 Plymouth Cuda. Price, $50,000. Mileage, 16,000 miles. Location, Sandown, New Hampshire. Feast your eyes on this fiery 1974 Plymouth Cuda, a true muscle car legend with head-turning style and heart-pounding performance. This real BS Cuda has been backdated with 1970 bodywork, giving it an aggressive, classic stance that commands attention. Under the hood, the original 360 engine has been replaced with a roaring 440, delivering that iconic Mopar power and rumble enthusiasts crave. The bold orange exterior paired with a black interior makes a statement wherever it goes, while the manual transmission ensures every shift delivers pure driving excitement. With only 16,000 miles, a clean title, and excellent condition, this Cuda is a collector's dream, ready to dominate car shows, weekend cruises, or any road you dare to take. A true American muscle masterpiece that combines history, power, and style.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1970 Plymouth Cuda Replica. Price, $1 auction listing. Mileage, 76,000 miles. Location, Cape Coral, Florida. Here's a bold 1970 Plymouth Cuda Replica, a striking tribute to the legendary American muscle car that's perfect for collectors and enthusiasts. Finished in a vibrant green with a contrasting black interior, this car makes a strong visual statement while honoring the iconic AAR styling. With 76,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it's a driver-ready classic that balances vintage charm with everyday usability. Listed for bidding at Mecum Kissimmee, this Cuda offers a unique chance to own a rare replica that captures the spirit, style, and roar of Mopar muscle. Whether you're a fan of classic performance cars or looking for a show-stopping centerpiece, this AAR replica is an investment in history, style, and excitement. 1934 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Lake City, Florida. Here's a 1934 Ford three-window coupe that blends classic styling with practical modern upgrades. Built on a real 1932 frame with a fiberglass body, it features a 1932 grille and a healthy, reliable engine ready for the road. Its bright yellow exterior paired with a black interior gives it a bold, attention-grabbing look, perfect for cruising or showing off at car events. With 123,456 miles and an automatic transmission, this coupe is fully paid off and ready to drive, offering both vintage charm and dependable performance. It's a classic hot rod with character and history, ideal for collectors or anyone who loves the thrill of owning a timeless piece of American automotive heritage. 1955 Chevrolet Belair 210. Price, $39,000. Mileage, 20,000 miles. Location, Macy, Indiana. Feast your eyes on this iconic 1955 Chevrolet Belair 210, a timeless American classic that perfectly blends vintage style with modern performance upgrades. This sedan is powered by a strong small-block 355 Chevy engine running on gasoline, delivering plenty of smooth, reliable power for cruising or weekend shows. Its vibrant green exterior exudes mid-century charm, while the manual transmission ensures an engaging, hands-on driving experience. With just 20,000 miles on the odometer, this Belair has been well cared for and is ready to hit the road, making it a standout for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Classic lines, dependable performance, and unmistakable 50s style make this Belair a true showstopper. 1947 Chevrolet Classic. Price: $36,000. Mileage: 1,234 miles. Location: Murray, Kentucky. Step into the golden age of American cars with this stunning 1947 Chevrolet Classic sedan, a beautifully preserved piece of post-war automotive history. Its vibrant pink exterior immediately commands attention, offering a playful yet sophisticated presence on the road, while the carefully maintained interior provides comfort and a touch of nostalgia. With just 1,234 miles on the odometer, this vehicle has barely been broken in, giving you the rare chance to own a classic that feels almost brand new. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth, effortless drive, perfect for leisurely weekend cruises or long scenic journeys. Fully paid off and holding a clean title, this Chevy has no significant damage and has been meticulously cared for, making it ideal for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to invest in a timeless classic. Beyond just a car, it's a rolling tribute to an era of craftsmanship and style, blending charm, reliability, and history in one head-turning package. From car shows to casual drives, every mile in this 1947 Chevrolet Classic is a statement of elegance, pride, and Americana, a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive heritage that will only grow in value and admiration over time.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1952 Chevrolet SS Styline Deluxe. Price: $27,000. Mileage: 5,000 miles. Location: Newburgh, Indiana. Here's a beautifully restored 1952 Chevrolet SS Styline Deluxe, a timeless classic that combines vintage charm with modern performance upgrades. Dressed in a bright yellow exterior with a contrasting charcoal interior, This Chevy is as eye-catching as it is fun to drive. Under the hood, a stout 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission delivers smooth, powerful performance, while power disc brakes and power steering ensure modern comfort and safety. With around 5,000 miles on the build, this car has been carefully maintained and is ready to hit the road. Fully paid off and in excellent condition, it's perfect for collectors, weekend cruisers, or anyone who wants a stylish, reliable classic with both performance and presence. This Chevrolet isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of American automotive history, blending elegance, muscle, and timeless design. 1957 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. Price, $12,000. Mileage, 64,000 miles. Location, Cadiz, Kentucky. Here's a 1957 Cadillac Sedan DeVille that effortlessly captures the glamour and elegance of classic American luxury. Its crisp white exterior contrasts beautifully with a vibrant blue interior, making it a true head-turner wherever it goes. With 64,000 miles and an automatic transmission, this Cadillac delivers smooth, effortless cruising while maintaining the charm and style that made the DeVille legendary. Perfect for collectors, vintage car enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a standout classic, it's guaranteed to draw attention and admiration. Whether you're cruising through town, showing it off at car events, or simply enjoying a ride steeped in history, this Cadillac combines comfort, style, and timeless appeal. Trades are considered, making it a unique opportunity to own a piece of 1950s automotive royalty. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $39,900. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Leachfield, Kentucky. Here's a classic 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D that perfectly blends vintage muscle car style with ready-to-drive performance. Powered by a 377 engine, this Camaro is built to deliver smooth, exhilarating rides while turning heads at every corner. Its bold green exterior paired with a sleek black interior gives it that unmistakable 60s muscle car look, while the automatic transmission ensures easy cruising. This Camaro comes with a current set of rally wheels on the car and an additional set included, giving you versatility for style or performance. With a clean title, no significant damage, and a car that's primed for the road, it's perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a classic American icon. Money is still owed on the vehicle, but it's a ready-to-enjoy Camaro that embodies the spirit, power, and style of one of Chevrolet's most legendary eras.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.